Tabletop business simulations are really hard to get your head wrapped around until you've seen one and literally touched it, used it, tried it, see what it does and how it does it. And so we run these showcases on a very regular basis, both digitally and in person, so you can do exactly that. You can ask questions, you can understand it, you can use a simulation, you can actually go through a portion of it and understand it. The ones in person, we try to feed you something. The ones digitally, that's a little harder to do, but we're still glad to have you. We run both. This page will tell you how to register, where they are, when it's coming up, and which simulation we're going to be highlighting. We normally highlight a couple, at least on the in-person ones. And if you see one of our simulations, say, I want to see that, but I don't see a showcase coming up, all you have to do is ask. I'll be glad to run one just for your group. That's not a problem. We set up an appointment and we run it. They're all complimentary. One of the things to keep in mind about what's the value of a business simulation, a simulation is a place that for a very low cost, we can make all the mistakes in the world and it doesn't cost us a dime. And that's frankly where a lot of the learning comes from. So we'd love to see at one of our showcases highlighting some of the simulations that we have. Pick out one you want. If there's not one scheduled soon enough for you, just reach out and we'll be glad to set one up.